Hi, my name is Sneha. Today I'm going to tell you a story about Anand. Do you know who Anand is? No? Let's find out.
Hi, I'm Anand. I collect trash from all these houses. Have you seen me around your house? Do you know who I am? When I'm late, Mrs. Pinto gets very angry. Ramesh uncle makes sure I collect every piece of garbage. Anita auntie does not like the smell of garbage. Do you like the smell of garbage? I don't like it too. The new people on Fourth Cross are very friendly, but their dog is not. Oh no, this will take forever to clean up. I like visiting Salim Street. Salim and I are friends. Do you have friends too? What are their names? He likes to play drums and I like dancing. What do you all like to do? It's soon time to go. Bye. I'll see you all tomorrow.